If you've ever wished your cordless drill could do more, you're in for a surprise. We've uncovered some of the best drill attachments for 2025, including a smart cultivator that makes quick work of any garden soil, and a water pump that can handle up to 3,000 liters an hour. These attachments turn your drill into a multi-tool powerhouse, and that's just the start. There are plenty more on the list to take your DIY projects to the next level, whether in the garden, at home, or in the workshop. Let's get into the details. Tilling your garden just got a whole lot easier. Say goodbye to bulky rototillers or manual tools that leave your arms aching. The Fusion drill-powered cultivator attaches right to your cordless drill, turning it into a lightweight, powerful tiller perfect for raised beds or small garden plots. It's adjustable up to 8 inches wide and digs as deep as 5.5 inches, prepping your soil in no time. Made from high-density plastic and aluminum, this cultivator is tough enough for any garden, yet light enough to be handled by almost anyone. The oversized adjustable handle makes it ergonomic, so you won't strain yourself while working the soil. And with 4 steel tines slicing through dirt, you'll get a thorough mix, even in tougher ground. Plus, it's portable, just 7 pounds, and requires less maintenance than your typical tiller. Simply attach it to your drill, and you're ready to go, making it a perfect tool for keeping that summer garden in top shape. For quickly beveling plastic pipes, the Bevel Boss Plastic Pipe Beveler is the ultimate solution, and it makes pipe prep a breeze. This cordless tool can handle 2-inch or larger diameter pipes with ease, whether they're PVC, CPVC, or ABS. Its lightweight, portable design means you can even use it right in the ditch. With adjustable bevel lengths up to 1 inch, you get consistent, smooth edges every time, cutting down on prep work significantly. It's perfect for trimming both glue joints and bell and gasket joints, helping you get an even distribution of solvent cement for a strong connection. The guide plate ensures your bevels are always accurate, with no guesswork needed. Plus, since it's battery-powered, you won't have to deal with fumes while you work. The tool also features optional adapters for popular die grinders like Milwaukee and Bosch, letting you convert them into bevelers when needed. Whether you're a utility contractor or working on general pipe installation, this tool makes your job faster and easier. If you've ever been stuck trying to remove a rusty or strip bolt, you know how frustrating it can be. To save the day, the bolt biter impact, nut extractor, and driver steps in. With its bidirectional gripping design, this tool can easily remove damaged fasteners and even tighten them back up if needed. The crescent bolt biter grabs onto damaged bolts with 5 times the gripping power of traditional tools, making tough jobs feel like a breeze. It's built for high torque applications and lasts up to 50 times longer, so you can rely on it time and time again. Whether you're dealing with rusted hex head fasteners or rounded bolts that just won't budge, this tool can handle it. The tapered flute design grips the fastener securely, so you won't have to worry about stripping it further. Simply put, this tool makes bolt extraction fast, easy, and stress-free, letting you get back to the task at hand with minimal hassle. Mixing paint by hand? That's so last century. Here is the Alway HM 1 Helix Mixer, a go-to tool for mixing all sorts of liquids, from paint to adhesives. With its heavy-duty 1/4-inch hex shaft, you can securely attach it to any electric drill, making it super versatile for different projects. The standout feature is its polypropylene helix blade, which ensures even mixing without adding too much air, making it perfect for epoxies and other fine finishes. The helix shape is designed to reach every corner of the container, ensuring a smooth and consistent mix throughout. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-clean blade. Whether you're working with viscous fluids or coatings, this tool speeds up the process, leaving you with better results and less hassle. No more pressure on your fasteners. The DeckFast Fascia system allows for natural movement. It's a smart solution for handling the expansion and contraction that comes with composite and PVC deck fascia boards. The system features a pre-drilling tool that creates oversized holes, enabling the boards to hang from the screws and move freely without placing excessive stress on the fasteners. Designed for 1/2 to 3/4 inch fascia profiles, it allows the material to expand and contract without splitting or cracking. Installation is easy, with a 2-step process using the pre-drilling tool and specially designed fascia screws. The color-matched screws and oversized holes ensure that everything looks clean and polished, with no surface damage to the fascia board. Simplify your toolkit with this essential multi-size hole cutter. It's the ARK. This adjustable hole cutter gives you maximum flexibility for cutting holes in materials like veneer, plywood, plasterboard, and acrylic. With adjustable blades that can span 40 to 203 millimeters, this tool eliminates the need to carry multiple hole saws, making it cost-effective and convenient. The twin cutting blades provide balanced cutting, reducing damage and improving user comfort, while the depth control mechanism prevents strikes with hidden objects. One of the highlights is the impact-resistant dust shield that protects from falling debris, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free cutting experience. Plus, the silicone rubber ring resists wear and keeps the cutter clean, preventing unsightly sealing marks. It also comes with a durable storage case, so you can keep it safe and organized when not in use. Whether you're working on a big project or a small one, this hole cutter brings both flexibility and efficiency to the table. No need for separate pump. This drill-powered solution is incredibly convenient. The Wolfcraft drill-powered water pump is a smart way to turn your power drill into a water pump, making it handy for household tasks or garden work. With the ability to handle up to 3,000 liters per hour, it's a great tool for small water transfers, like draining pools or tanks. It connects easily to standard garden hoses and protects your drill from moisture, giving you peace of mind. Plus, it's self-priming, so you don't have to worry about getting it started. This pump is compatible with drills that have at least 600 watts of power, and you can adjust the speed for efficient performance. It's portable, versatile, and can make those water pumping jobs much easier. Whether you're cleaning up after a heavy rain or need to move water for your plants, this tool adds a lot of convenience to your setup. This bit holder is so tough, it could probably drive a nail through a brick wall. It's the Bosch self-locking holder. It's designed to extend bit life by up to 10 times more than standard bits. Thanks to its extended torsion zone, it absorbs peak torque, reducing stress on the bits and preventing breakage. This holder has a heat-treated build, adding durability, and its precision machine tip ensures a secure fit that prevents cam out. One of its standout features is the high-visibility sleeve with laser-etched markings, making it easy to identify and locate even in busy toolboxes. Whether you're working on tough screwing applications or using impact drivers, this bit holder will give you the secure fit and durability you need for long-lasting use. Get the perfect angle every time. The MilesCraft Drill Mate takes the guesswork out of drilling. Whether you're working at multiple angles or need precision on the go, this drill guide makes it possible. The self-centering base ensures your holes are drilled at perfect angles, from 45 to 90 degrees. Plus, the non-slip feet and V-groove design make it perfect for round stock drilling without slipping. What sets the Drill Mate apart is its metal head with ball bearings for smooth drilling, along with an adjustable stop collar for repetitive tasks. With its 3 8-inch chuck and auxiliary handle, it's compatible with most drills, making it super versatile. Say goodbye to the limitations of a bulky drill press and get precision wherever you go with a MilesCraft Drill Mate. Rexpeedy double-headed sheet metal nibbler. Alright, if you've ever tried cutting sheet metal by hand, you know it could be a real hassle. But with the Rexpeedy double-headed sheet metal nibbler, that struggle is history. This tool takes the job of cutting through tough materials and makes it fast and smooth, giving you a precision, burr-free edge every time. Whether you're working on car repairs or cutting metal roofing, it fits right onto your drill, making your DIY tasks much easier. Now the best part? It's a 360-degree double cutting head. You can cut straight lines, curves, and even circles without missing a beat. It handles everything from sheet metal to stainless steel and even plastic. Plus, it's more powerful than normal snips, meaning no more fatigue from manual shears. So, if you got a project that needs clean cuts, this nibbler is your go-to. Versatile, easy to use, and comes with its own iron toolbox to keep everything together. No mess, no fuss, just a great tool for precision cutting. There you have it, the best drill accessories for 2025. Hopefully, you found some tools to upgrade your setup. Let us know in the comments which tool you're excited to try.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.